Hello everyone, have you ever wondered what kind of insurance you need if you're running a handyman business versus working as a general contractor? The truth is, both need insurance, but they're not created equal. Whether you're fixing leaky faucets or managing full home remodels, your insurance coverage matters big time. Let's break it down. Handyman insurance needs. Most handymen are solo or small team operators handling minor repairs, think drywall patches, door fixes, or small paint jobs. Because the work is typically low risk, handyman insurance tends to be simpler and more affordable. The most common policy? General liability insurance. It protects you if you accidentally damage a client's property or someone gets hurt because of your work. For example, if you scratch a hardwood floor while moving a ladder, yes, that's where this kicks in. Some handymen also get tools and equipment coverage, especially if they've got expensive gear in the truck. In many states, handymen don't need a license, and the insurance requirements are minimal, but don't skip it. One claim could wipe out your savings. General contractor insurance needs. Now, flip the script. General contractors handle bigger, more complex projects. You're managing teams, subs, and budgets, and that comes with more risk. For GCs, general liability is still the foundation, but you likely need workers' comp, commercial auto, builder's risk, and possibly errors and omissions (E&O) coverage. Why? Because you're overseeing a full job site. If something goes wrong, like a framing mistake, an injury, or a permit issue, you're on the hook. Also, most states require general contractors to carry specific insurance minimums and be licensed. And if you want to land those high-value jobs, clients are going to ask for proof. Final thoughts. Handyman insurance is lighter, cheaper, and fits small jobs. General contractor insurance is more comprehensive because the risks and responsibilities are much bigger. Before you jump from handyman to GC, make sure your insurance grows with you. One missed policy could cost more than the job's worth. Are you looking for a trusted insurance provider who has a lot of experience? One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.